just like that, we've entered another lockdown. Real bummer for all the motorcycle content creators out there. So I urge everyone to stay indoors, stay safe, go out only if you have to. Otherwise, just stay in. Take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones and yourself. Just wait this wave out. So I made a bunch of videos before this lockdown, so I've put that together. So let me know how that is. So I am getting a power fuel and getting a tank full so that I can check the average after installing the air filter and the air filter plate like you guys wanted. और आएगा इसमें भी 900 तो चला जाएगा आराम से. It's 800, 850 और हो जाएगा 950. करो करो. And 1000 कर दो बस हो गया. 1000. So I'm getting 10 liters of petrol. 3.5 is in the reserve, as Royal Enfield says. Take. Alrighty. Okay, after getting about 10 liters of petrol, I think I'm resetting this right. So it's 201. There you go. Let's see if the fuel economy is affected or not. Before installing the air filter and the air filter plate, it used to give me an average of about 23, 25. That's it.
2 weeks later.
Long story short, installing an air filter does give you a better mileage. I mean, before installing it, my motorcycle was giving me about a mileage of 20 to 22 kilometers per liter, because the reserve light used to come on after hitting 200 kilometers on the odometer. But now, after installing an air filter, it still goes on up to 260 kilometers. So pretty decent, if you ask me. Pretty nice. The throttle response has become very, very nice and very zippy. And there are no wobbling issues on my motorcycle, and no heating issues, none whatsoever. I guess that's specific to some specific models. And yeah, a lot of people in the comment section have asked me to install an aftermarket exhaust, which now I'm leaning towards that idea and thought, because that really makes sense. If you're adjusting the air intake of your motorcycle, it automatically makes sense to install an aftermarket. The only thing that stops you from doing that are cops, because it's against the law. We'll do some research on that. So yeah, bottom line, the motorcycle feels pretty good after that. I can't wait to ride it again after this all thing ends. Plus, do share your thoughts and opinions about what you want to see in the future, so that I can clearly work on them and give you guys the best content according to my standards. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, because for some reason, do subscribe if you want to see my content more. And as always, if you like the video, if you like the content, just you know what to do. Straight out.